All right, welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing a turkey melt on the Blackstone Griddle. So what we have: turkey, pickles, provolone cheese. We got the bread, butter, and mayonnaise, and bacon. I gotta get the bacon. So let's get it going. All right, so here we have it. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to add the mayo. Okay, we're going to add a piece of cheese, both sides. Now let's add our turkey. From the deli. We're going to add pickles. Now we're going to go cook the bacon. Then we're going to put the bacon in here and then put the sandwich to go grill. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and cook this bacon. So we're going to do 2 strips for one. And let me tell you guys that cooking bacon here on the Blackstone is so much easy, and you can do a lot. I just love cooking on the Blackstone, I guess. All right, our bacon is done. That's all we were waiting for. Now we're gonna add the bacon. Now let's put it on the Blackstone. All right, so we're going to use butter. Put it in there. And we're going to wait about a couple minutes. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half, about 2 minutes almost. We're going to add more for the other side. Oh, look at that. Whoo, that looks good. That is ready. Look at that. Let's put this on this holiday board. Oh, yeah. Let's give it a cut. All right, guys, let's see our work of art. Oh, look at that. Oh, let's taste it. All right, guys, here we have it. It was a simple day, just a nice, good old turkey melt on the Blackstone Griddle, and it looks really good. Wow, this is good. Wow. I want you guys hit that like, subscribe, watch these videos. See you guys next time.